Hello my dear students, today I am going to teach you active passive voice. Basics of active passive voice you have done in previous tutorial. So first of all, let's have a gist of the basic rules of active passive voice. Let's start with the rule of modals. Okay, whenever in active voice any modal is given, so with modal every time first form is used. So when you have to change active into passive, with every modal you have to add be. With be you will be using verb third form plus by. So I have taken some of the modals. How to change? For example, can, could, may, might, would, should, need is given. So with that verb first form will be given. So when you will change active to passive, so can be, could will change into could be, may will change into may be, might will change into might be, would will change into would be, should will change into should be, and need will change into need be. So with all these you will be using verb third form plus by. I just explain it by taking some of the examples. Now I have taken some of the examples in which modal is used, like can, should, must, would. All these are modals. So how to change active into passive? I can solve this sum. So this sum here is a object. So this sum can. So with modal we will be using be plus third form. So this sum can be solved by, I will be changed into me. This sum can be solved by me. Now we have second, we should obey our parents. So our parents here is a object. So our parents should be obeyed by us. Our parents should be obeyed by us. Here our parents is an object. Object will become subject, and with should modal we will be using be plus third form by, then we will be changed into us. Now we have third example, we must keep the rules. So the rules here is a object. So here object will become subject. The rules must is given. So with must we will be using be. The rules must be kept by, we will change into us. The rules must be kept by us. Now next example I have taken of interrogative type. Would you return the loan? So whenever in active voice interrogative is given, so it will remain interrogative. Would will come in the beginning. Would, then object. Would the loan be returned by you? And don't forget to put question mark. In active voice also it is in the form of interrogative. When we change active to passive, so it will remain in the form of interrogative. So would you return the loan? Would the loan be returned by you? Simple rule that you have to keep in your mind. You have to change object into subject, and subject will become here object. These things you have done in the basic rules of active voice. So whenever any modal is given, with modal you will be adding be plus third form. Every time modal plus be plus third form. You can see must is given, then must be third form. Would is given, then would, then be plus third form. So these are the basic rules of modal auxiliary. Okay students? After that, I am going to explain another rule, that is passive voice of command, order, advice, etc. Whenever you have to change active into passive or any command, any order, any advice, it means any imperative sentence is given, so how to change active into passive. There are different rules. You can follow any of the rule. Rule first also is okay, rule second also is okay. You can choose any of the rule. So I explain you both the rules. Whenever any imperative sentence is given and you have to change active to passive, so according to rule number 1, first of all you put let, then you put object, then be plus third form. I just explain by taking example. For example, this is an order, open the window. So this is imperative sentence. So I am going to follow rule number first, let. I have put let, then object. Object here is the window. Let the window. So according to this rule, first of all I have put let, then I have written object, the window, then I have added be, then verb third form. Now here open is a verb and verb third form will be open. So rule will be let, then object, then be, then verb third form. Let the window be open. So same sentence can be done in another way. I have taken same sentence, open the window. So you can use second rule also. You are ordered. First of all you have to write down you are ordered. It can be advice, it can be suggestion, it can be request. It depends on the kind of imperative sentence, what kind is given. So open the window, you are ordered. After writing your order, you will be adding to, then verb first form. First form will remain same and object will remain same. It means you will copy same imperative sentence. You are ordered to open the window. You are ordered to open the window. So this is the way to do imperative sentences. How to change active into passive. You can use either first rule or rule second. Both rules are okay according to 8th class. In first rule, let plus object plus be plus third form. Keep this thing in your mind. According to second rule, you can put order, request, advise. You are ordered to, then same sentence you can copy verb first form plus object. Okay students. Now I am going to explain passive voice of infinitive verb. Infinitive verb, it means when to plus verb first form is given in active, how to change into passive. So simple rule that you have to keep in your mind, when to plus verb first form is given and you have to change active into passive. So with to you will be using be, then verb third form, then by. To be plus verb third form plus by. I have taken 2 examples to make this concept clear. I hope to win a prize. Now to win, it means it is a sentence of infinitive verb. So I hope, it will remain same. Then you will pick up object. Here object is a prize. I hope a prize. Then according to rule, to plus be. Then you will be writing to, then be. I hope a prize to be, then verb third form. Win will become won. I hope a prize to be won by me. If you write down by me, it is okay, but if you don't write down, so it is understood because already I is given. So appropriate sentence will be I hope a prize to be won. You can end this sentence after won. Now I have taken next example of infinitive verb. It is time to speak the truth. Now it is time to speak. Again to speak, it means it is a infinitive type. So how to change? It is time to speak the truth. It is time will remain same. It is time for the truth. It is time for the truth. So according to rule, to be plus third form. So it is time for the truth to be speak. Third form will be spoken. It is time for the truth to be spoken. Okay, students. My dear students, go through all these rules very carefully. I'm going to give you one of the homework. You do this homework by following all these rules, and answers of the homework will be discussed in your Zoom class. Okay, students, have a nice day.